how you can get into the VIP room on Dress and Press. I'm not sure. I don't think you can go in and try items, but you can just go in there. So to do that, you're just going to stand right here and then select a pose from the pop culture pose bag. Select desk drop, and you're just going to stop posing like so. As you can see, you've already gone here, so that's good. Then you're going to select desk drop again, and then as you can see, you're in VIP. I do have VIP, so that was pointless, but if you want to look around, you can absolutely do that. But unfortunately, you cannot try on the items here. You can just look around. Maybe you want to know like what items there are in VIP. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.